This is the Dolphin Lady, a 1990 48-foot motor yacht. Here at Oceanside Marina in Key West, Florida. Easy steps to get on board. Real pretty view out there today of the ocean. And refrigerator. This is neat. This is a wet bar. You just turn this button on here. Whatever drink you want, vodka, gin, rum, and off you go. Wine refrigerator. Big giant couch here. Oh, hanging out in the salon. It's a 19-inch TV. And we're going to go down there. Dressing table. What's cool about the closets is when you open them, light comes on. It's getting neat. This one has a bathtub in it. Okay, we're going to cruise up. This is down where you pilot it. There's another bedroom here. This is called the screw room. And here's your little table to sit and do your makeup. Yep, each one has its own little bathroom. And shower. There's a shower in there. And here's another one way down here. This one even has a new washer and dryer in it. And here's its bathroom right over here.